After the fire trucks leave, your home likely suffers from fire and smoke damage, and probably some extensive water damage from all the firefighting efforts. SERVPRO of Belfast, Camden, and Rockland have the specialized fire restoration training you need to make sure your home is restored to pre-fire condition. Every fire is a little bit different and requires a unique solution, but the general process of that restoration remains the same. The general process for a typical fire damage emergency starts the minute you call us. You'll speak with one of our knowledgeable representatives who will ask you questions regarding the fire damage that will help us to respond immediately and with the appropriate equipment and resources. Then comes the inspection and fire damage assessment. We carefully inspect and test adjoining rooms of your property to determine the extent of the fire, smoke, and soot damage. This step is crucial to developing a plan of action. Then comes an immediate board up and roof tarp service. Fire damage can often compromise windows, walls, and roofs. To maintain security and to protect against further damage, we can board up missing windows and walls and place tarps over damaged roofs. Then comes water removal and drying, if water damage is present, of course. The water removal process begins almost immediately and removes the majority of the water. We then use dehumidifiers and air movers to remove the remaining water and complete the drying process. Then, the removal of smoke and soot from all surfaces. We use specialized equipment and techniques to remove smoke and soot from ceilings, walls, and other surfaces. Then comes cleaning and sanitizing. We clean, sanitize, and disinfect all of the restorable items and structures that were damaged by the fire. We use a variety of cleaning techniques to restore your belongings to pre-fire condition. We're also trained to remove odors using industrial air scrubbers and fogging equipment. Finally, the restoration. The restoration is the final step in getting your home to its pre-fire condition. Restoration may involve minor repairs, or it may entail major repairs such as reconstruction of various areas. If your home has suffered damage from fire, give your friends and neighbors here at SERVPRO of Belfast, Camden, Rockland a call. 207-338-1850. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're faster to any disaster.